Welcome. If you want to stay on top of your Pinterest messages and never miss a beat, enabling email notifications is the way to go. Today, I'll guide you through the latest steps to make sure you get notified by email whenever you receive a message on Pinterest. Let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on it to head over to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, focus your attention at the very top. You'll see your profile picture right there. Give it a tap. This will open up your account settings and options. Next, scroll through the list and find the option labeled Notification. Tap on it to access all your notification settings. This is where you can control how Pinterest keeps you updated, whether it's through push notifications, emails, or other ways. Under the notification settings, look for the section called Social. Here, you'll find different options for how Pinterest notifies you about social activities, including messages. Tap on Messages to customize how you get notified when someone sends you a message. Now you'll see a few different toggles for notifications. What you want to do is find the option labeled Email. If it's not already on, simply toggle it on. This ensures that every time you receive a new message on Pinterest, you'll get an email notification sent straight to your inbox. And that's it. You've just enabled email notifications for messages on Pinterest. This quick setup means you'll never miss an important message, whether you're at your desk or on the go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date tech tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.